Hello guys, how's it going? So in this video, I will be being a bird in hive bedwars by using the Valkyrie link. So let's start the video. I am a bird and I am gonna lock in for the rest of the game. What? I didn't even... Look, you don't need the iron. I mean the 5-0. Thank God I got job animations. Okay. Yo, what? Yo, what happened? Okay. And I also did a montage. I don't know if it's good or not, but it's like my first ever montage, so it makes sense if it's not good. I'm not that good at anything. I'm like every single normal human being. If you're a normal human being, you know how to, that knows how to edit. Yo, I already got your... Yo, I'm here. Let's go. I'm doing every single game mode, not just Bed Wars solos. It's also Bed Wars duos and squads. Even Manor. There is the stupid guy. I can't see his face. Why can I not see your face? Bloody. Yo. Oh. You need to get up. And now, now he gets a sword. Oh, Listen, buddy, you don't know how to icy bridge? So you go get the diamonds, bloody. I will retire. A little kid will retire officially because he fell off the void. Okay, what? I could kill you. Even though I can't bridge, I could still kill you. Oh, he's not cheating though. He's not cheating. He's just simply better. Yo, I could kill you though. Again. Yo! Okay, I did the hit selecting. They don't see me at all. I got his bed. Got their bed, I mean. But it's still not solos. I was about to say sumos. What? Yo. Yo, you could die here. I just 2v1. I'm the GOAT. So, by the way, I just finished editing the first part of the video, because probably like I was studying for my school, because I'm not even at school today, so I mean I need to study a little. Okay, good bed. Oh, he was running because he had no bed, and then he saw me. Yo, okay, I want to team with this guy, but I really can't. Okay, I didn't have anything good. Did my teammate die? He left. Now it's only me. But you know what? I should get the Valkyrie wings. Because I should fly. Okay, he didn't see me. What? Did he see me or something? I don't know if he saw me. Well, this guy definitely saw me. I'm getting diamond armor things. I think getting pearls was the better choice. But I mean, this video is about the Valkyrie wings, so I guess. Or else I would be clickbaiting you. What's up, buddy? Alright. I'm to be winning. Goodbye. I would either get Valkyrie wings or get another pair of Valkyrie wings or get diamond armor. Diamond armor is my choice here. Ooh. I'm gonna get Valkyrie wings later. I don't know. Well, you better be careful. No. Okay, I fell down. Yo, what is he doing? Why does he have the Valkyrie wings on? Okay. He just died. Yo, what? What is he doing? I also got those. Alright. Oh my god, that was so crazy. Hey, listen, buddy. You are not running from anybody. You are running from the goat himself. Mango MC. 6214. Yo, what's up, buddies? I mean, dummies. I keep doing the triple jump. But I don't have a teammate. That's another pair of wings. Let me waste those. Okay. I got those. I'm getting another pair of wings. Wood. More wood. Yo, listen. Okay. GG's. GG's. Now it's time for squads. Now So, I can't go on the gens because I'm not. You know what? Fuck you. He does that, that means he's a goated mobile player. Never mind. Ah! The index finger for joystick. Fuck. I was cooked. I was falling down the wood every single time. I saw this guy in the blue team. He just died to fall damage. He had a lot of stuff. I'm your teammate, by the way. Where's my Valkyrie wings? Oh, I have it on. I should have it off right now. Not off right now, because... Yo. How dare you come? Yes! He just died! Bleh! Let me kill you real quick. Yo? I am not done with this stuff. Yo. I think I survived. You're not getting our bed. You're not getting our bed, definitely. I killed it. Okay, I'm done. I'm here. Yo, I'm your teammate. He just died to my aura. Let's go. need to buy a fireball. Yes, fireball. Okay, okay. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, I just saved the team. I just saved the team. Oh my god, you must die now. Yo! With everything that I need, okay. Why does everybody I need to get emeralds now. I need to get emeralds without anybody killing me, of course. But I'm going without a weapon and without any blocks, so. I'm hitting this guy with an emerald. I don't have anything. I'm hitting you with an emerald. How? Oh, we both know. Okay, sumo fight. Okay. Got luck of draw and mining speed. Wrong base, but I don't care. He doesn't get. Okay, good. Hold up, I will stay in my base. And this time I am the one that has diamond armor. Okay. Now. Did I miss me? But this guy doesn't have a helmet, and he only has premium armor. So, I need the Valkyrie wings and I need a Nemo. How am I getting? I'm gonna get a Nemo and Valkyrie wings. I got a Nemo and I got the Valkyrie wings. And I got a diamond sword. I'm locked and loaded. This is a crazy loadout. Yo, what? How did I? Huh? Oh yeah, this is the team that I single-handedly won. Come here. Yo! You know what? GG's. And, yep. It's time for the last game, which is Manor. And, I mean, what is it called? Mega. And I'm not doing Manor. I was lying in the first spot, the first time. I have a level 50 in our team. We have a level 50. We have a level 54 in our team, which is this guy. I'm guessing PC player. Go. Yo, what's up, man? I don't care if I die. I need to get these crystals. I got the crystal. I got the crystal. I don't care. I want to die, in fact. We have I am Leon in our team. He has a sweaty name, chicken outfit, doing everything. Okay. Wait, that's level 39. That's level 40. Crazy! Oh my god, we have a level 40 and a level 50 in our team. Is that crazy? That's crazy, that's crazy, that's crazy. And also, Mango MC is in the team. So that makes it 10 times better. I'm going to get the other one. The other crystal. Come here. Come here, bloody. Time clicking. The time clicking, bro. The time clicking. Yo, teammate. Help. Yeah. Yo, why are they going for me only? I died with 9 iron. I'm covering. I covered. What are you doing? These guys are letting me go. They died. Their boss bet died. My teammate should do everything. My teammate should get a final kill. Yo. At least give me one final. I got 3 kills. And I didn't even use the Valkyrie wings. I guess I'm ending up the video without the Valkyrie wings. So boom, and GG. Goodbye.